Hello friends, today I'll tell you why educational stocks are not performing in India like other stocks are doing. Other stocks such as pharma stocks, IT, banking stocks, financial services, they're all doing constantly performing. They are constantly performing, whereas educational stocks are not meeting that expectations. What is happening? You can see there are several other already listed educational stocks are there, such as you can see NIIT, NIIT, and Aptech. There you can see their overall performance so far, right? Now another thing is, see there are some educational tech companies. I mean tech coaching institutes. What they did, I mean what they performed during COVID time, post COVID time, and currently what are they doing? For example, Baiju, Vedantu, and On Academy. How they did during COVID time period, and now what is their position? After all, when someone is going to invest in a IPO, he or she expects some listing gain. But do you think like such type of gain we're expecting while launching in this type of IPOs, educational stock IPOs? Number one, like number one cause I will tell that these stocks are mainly they depend on specific events. Specific event means they depend on specific exams. If these exams happens, I mean they are conducted regularly, these stocks are going to perform. Or else if there is some issues, or the government is changing some syllabus, or government is rescheduling the exams, or there is some changes in the exams, then these educational stocks or these companies, they do have revenue loss. They will have so many physical classes, and those infrastructure cost, high faculty cost, they cannot meet it. It's kind of seasonal revenue, and because of this there will be no institutional investor on these stocks. You see, like other stocks you may have institutional investors, other core stocks, pharma, I mean IT, infrastructure basis, I mean other core stocks, core sector stocks, you may have what institutional investors. But in these educational stocks, because of this lack of transparency and lack of growth, you will have no institutional investors, and they are purely seasonal basis because they depend on specific exams, maybe UPSC, JEE, NET, CAT, or this type of exams. You may see like there are several already listed companies. What are they doing so far? Nothing. Their stocks are simply lying, simply sleeping. Similarly, these are new IPOs are going to be launched. So I don't think they can give some kind of outstanding expectations. Although they have some kind of although they have some new ideas, but how are they going to be implemented? How are they going to perform? That time will tell. But so far history says educational stocks do not perform because of their weak sentiments. People or educators or aspirants for particular exams, they only enroll themselves when there is exam. If there are no exams conducted in time, there will be no aspirants. So that will cause revenue loss. Only particular few months or few period will generate revenue, or the most of the time there will be no enrollment, no revenue generation. So because of this, you can see educational stocks do not perform in India, right? So you may have other stocks also, but I don't think you should prefer educational stocks. Prefer